Welcome to Knowledge Nuggets. Ever dream of escaping the airport chaos? Have you ever found yourself stuck in a crowded airport terminal longing for a quiet escape? The constant noise, the endless lines, the uncomfortable chairs. It can really put a damper on your travel excitement. But what if I told you there's a way to escape the airport madness and enjoy some peace and quiet before your flight? Imagine this. Comfy seats, free drinks, fast Wi-Fi, all in a relaxing atmosphere. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. This is where Priority Pass comes in. Your golden ticket to a world of airport lounges, no matter your airline or ticket class. Whether you're a seasoned business traveler or an occasional vacationer, Priority Pass can transform your airport experience from stressful to serene. Intrigued? Read on to discover how you can unlock a world of travel luxury, often for free. Imagine stepping into a calm and quiet haven, away from the hustle and bustle of the main terminal. With Priority Pass, that dream becomes a reality. Priority Pass gives you access to a network of over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide, offering a sanctuary from the typical airport chaos. Imagine yourself sinking into a plush armchair, sipping on a complimentary drink, and catching up on emails with high-speed Wi-Fi. Priority Pass lounges are designed to make your travel experience more comfortable, convenient, and enjoyable. No more fighting for power outlets or enduring uncomfortable seating. So, what exactly is Priority Pass? In a nutshell, it's a membership program that gives you access to airport lounges around the globe, regardless of your airline or ticket class. Think of it as your all-access pass to relaxation and comfort while you travel. But here's the catch. A standard Priority Pass membership can cost you a pretty penny. Depending on the plan you choose, you could be looking at annual fees ranging from around $100 to over $400. That's not exactly pocket change. But don't worry, there are ways to snag a Priority Pass membership without breaking the bank. In fact, you can even get it for free. Priority Pass is your key to luxury. Ready for the best part? You can actually get a Priority Pass membership for free. That's right, free access to those luxurious airport lounges. How, you ask? The secret lies in credit cards. Many premium travel credit cards, such as those offered by Chase, American Express, and Capital One, offer a complimentary Priority Pass membership as a perk. By signing up for one of these credit cards and meeting their requirements, which usually involve a minimum spending amount, you can unlock a world of airport lounge access without paying a dime for the membership itself. It's like getting a free upgrade on your travel experience. The perks of Priority Pass, more than just a lounge. So, you're lounging in style, sipping on a free drink, and enjoying the fast Wi-Fi. But the benefits of Priority Pass extend far beyond just comfort. Having a Priority Pass can actually save you money in the long run. Think about it. Free food and drinks in the lounge mean less money spent on overpriced airport snacks and beverages. Plus, many lounges offer amenities like showers, conference rooms, and even spa treatments, often at no extra cost. These perks can be a lifesaver, especially during long layovers or delayed flights. Priority Pass isn't just about luxury. It's about making your travel experience smoother, more efficient, and yes, more enjoyable. Real people, real relaxation. Don't just take my word for it. Countless travelers swear by Priority Pass and the positive impact it's had on their travel experiences. Priority Pass has been a game changer for me, says Sarah, a frequent business traveler. It used to be all about surviving the airport. Now, it's about enjoying it. Another traveler, John, adds, I used to dread long layovers, but now I actually look forward to them. I can relax in the lounge, grab a bite to eat, and recharge before my next flight. These are just a few of the many stories from travelers who've discovered the joys of airport lounges thanks to Priority Pass. Ready to upgrade your travel game? So, are you ready to ditch the airport stress and embrace a world of travel comfort? Getting a Priority Pass, especially for free, can be one of the smartest moves you make as a traveler. Start by researching credit cards that offer a complimentary Priority Pass membership and see which one aligns best with your spending habits and travel needs. Once you've unlocked your lounge access, Get ready to experience the joy of stress-free travel. And hey, while you're at it, why not share your own airport lounge adventures and tips in the comments below? Let's help each other travel smarter and more comfortably. Thank you for watching.